Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is unboxing the October Antipodean Witch Box. Ooh, it's so pink. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here's the inside. Cute little Quokka looking back at us. So we've got the pamphlet which says the 14th of October, Quokka Moon. He's so happy. I love it. It smells really nice as well. So the first thing we've got is a piece of moonstone. Ooh, that looks so pretty. A piece of pink agate. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. I'm a fan. I don't have many pink stones, so this is really nice. Some St. John's wort. So its attributes are self-love, happiness, protection, and travel. Got some dried roses. The attributes are self-love, love, psychic powers, healing, divination, luck, protection, and fairies. That's what the box smells like. It smells very rosy. Now that I'm smelling it, obviously I can tell. Got a little pink hand mirror. Oh, it's so cute. Where can I put it so you can see it? Little scroll in a bottle. Little twisty package. Some incense cones. They're very rosy as well, I would say. Two pink spell candles. A little dowel with some ribbons. Kind of reminds me of a maypole or a fairy wand. I don't know, but I could do that for hours, so let's just stop. Stop while we're ahead. Got the necklace, which has a moon and a star, and I think my other charm has fallen off, but I have a link in here, so I imagine that the charm will be in the box, so I can easily fix that up. Got our consecrated bath salts for self-love. I'm feeling a theme, feeling the love. A beautiful rough piece of rose quartz. The camera just doesn't do that justice. It's pink, definitely pink. Maybe not as pink as the box, but definitely pink. And our sigil and affirmation for self-love. And the affirmation is, I love myself in all my perfect imperfection. I know I am worthy of love and respect. I choose to be kind to myself. Which is definitely a very good affirmation. Let's go through the pamphlet. So we've got the almanac for October 2019. The 6th of October is the first quarter. The 14th of October is the full moon, the Quokka moon. The 21st of October is the last quarter. The 28th is the new moon. And the 31st of October for us Southern Hemisphere witches is Beltane. So in this box we've got, yes, the Beltane mini maypole. I was right that it reminded me of a maypole. Moon and Stars pendant. So I think it might be missing a star, but even if it is still very cute and I would wear that happily anyway. We've got our magic mirror. So that's for the ritual in this month. We've got our spell bottle. So the parchment in it is blank so that you can write your intention on it. You can add other things in for your spells as well. We've got our hand-dipped spell candles. Cherry blossom incense cones. Well, there you go. I was completely wrong on the scent. They are floral though, so I will call that a win. We've got our herb rosebuds. Our herb St. John's wort. Our moonstone. Our pink agate. And our raw rose quartz. And then we've also got the Quokka Moon self-love ritual. And on the back we've got some deities of self-love and a sugared rose petals recipe. So the pamphlet didn't mention the consecrated bath salts or the sigil and affirmation, but they are staple pieces in every month's box, so no big deal on that one. But this is everything that I got in the October Antipodean Witch box. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you in next week's video, which I should be going back to makeup again. Alright, see you then. Bye.